Welcome back, tire enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of tire evolution with Tire Steps, a journey that will revolutionize the way you think about your ride. From ancient methods to groundbreaking innovations, we'll reveal the secrets behind the rubber that connects us to the road. Ready to roll? Join us as we explore how tires have transformed over the decades, ensuring your safety and enhancing performance. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more thrilling content. Let's take our first step into this exciting adventure. Your next journey starts here. Number 5. DICMIC Folding Heavy Duty Tire Step is your answer. Designed to fit tire sizes from 10.2 to 14.4 inches, this adjustable tire-mounted step caters to truck, SUV, and RV owners alike. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, it's sturdy enough for all your needs. Its height-adjustable design allows you to reach high places effortlessly, whether it's for loading luggage, checking your engine bay, or even accessing your roof rack. This step has you covered. Plus, with 3 height positions and 4 width adjustments, it accommodates various tire sizes. When you're done, its folding design makes storage a breeze. Simply stow it behind a seat or in your RV storage bin. Experience convenience like never before with the DICMIC Tire Step. If you have any questions, their responsive service team is ready to assist you. Upgrade your outdoor adventures today. Number 4. Nilight Folding Heavy Duty Tire Step is an essential tool for anyone who owns a truck, SUV, or RV. This innovative tire step boasts a robust steel construction, allowing it to hold up to 350 pounds, ensuring strong load-bearing capacity. With 5 adjustable positions for tire widths of 10 inch to 14 and 3 height adjustments, accessing your vehicle's roof rack, engine bay, or luggage has never been easier. The open design promotes safety by allowing mud and debris to fall through, while the metal cheese grater surface, enhanced with anti-slip tape strips, provides unbeatable grip in any conditions. Plus, its sleek black powder coating enhances durability and protects against wear and tear. Storage is a breeze thanks to its foldable design, making it easy to tuck away behind a seat or in an RV storage bin. Whether you're washing, waxing, or loading, the Nilight Folding Heavy Duty Tire Step is the perfect companion, bringing convenience and safety to all your vehicle needs. Ideal for tire step applications, this tool takes your automotive experience to the next level. Number 3. Powerbuilt Heavy Duty Tire Step, a versatile and essential tool for anyone who needs easy access to their vehicle's roof or cargo. This innovative step simply slips over your truck, SUV, or RV tire, allowing you to comfortably reach your roof rack, engine bay, and more, without the strain of overreaching. Its height-adjustable design fits tires of all sizes, even semi-truck tires, ensuring you can tackle any task with ease. Safety is a top priority here. The open design allows mud and debris to escape, while the unique cheese grater surface, enhanced with anti-slip tape strips, provides unbeatable grip in any weather condition. When you're finished, the step conveniently folds flat for easy storage behind a seat or in a truck box. With a sturdy platform measuring 8 3/4 inches by 21 3/4 inches and a generous 300-pound weight capacity, this tire step is perfect for washing, waxing, or loading up gear. Elevate your vehicle maintenance experience with the Powerbuilt Heavy Duty Tire Step. It's the ultimate solution for all your tire step needs. Number 2. AA Products Universal Tire Steps, the ultimate solution for all your vehicle needs. Designed to fit any tire size from 9 foot to 13, this durable auto tire step is perfect for trucks, SUVs, and RVs, ensuring you can reach those hard-to-access areas with ease. With a remarkable load capacity of 300 pounds, the slip-resistant step pad features a textured black powder coat finish that guarantees supreme support and stability. The adjustable design allows you to customize the step to 3 different height positions and 4 width positions, making it versatile enough for various tasks. Plus, its foldable functionality means you can store it easily and take it wherever you go. Whether you're working on engines, lifting kayaks, or cleaning those tricky spots, the AA Products tire steps are a must-have for anyone who values convenience and safety in their outdoor adventures. Number 1. KAIRAY heavy-duty folding tire step. Looking for a reliable solution to reach high areas of your truck, SUV, or RV? Look no further than the KAIRAY heavy-duty folding tire step. Designed for versatility, this universal tire step fits tires ranging from 10.2 to 14.4 inches, making it compatible with most vehicles. Its adjustable features allow for a perfect fit, offering 4 positions for tire height and 5 for width, so you can easily tackle tasks like washing, waxing, or accessing rooftop cargo. Crafted from durable heavy-duty metal with a sleek black powder-coated finish, it ensures rust resistance and longevity. The raised texture on the stepping pad adds a slip-resistant grip, safely supporting up to an impressive 300 pounds. Plus, its foldable design makes it portable and easy to store, keeping your vehicle or garage clutter-free. Best of all, KAIRAY stands behind its product with a 1-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Make your life easier with the KAIRAY heavy-duty folding tire step. In conclusion, tire steps is not just a practical solution for accessing elevated areas. It's a blend of creativity and functionality that elevates any outdoor adventure. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Remember, the journey of innovation starts with ideas just like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Let's keep exploring together.